here's a shot of the engine right now. It's working really well. Here's my new alternator. The alternator is charging at 14 volts, and the batteries right now are charging both of them at 13.85. There's an exhaust leak down in there somewhere. Were fairly hard to put back in place with the new alternator, but I was able to make them fit no problem after a few tries. So for tonight it's pretty good. You can hear the engine running pretty good. There is obviously an exhaust leak, but things run in tip-top shape. Took it for a drive earlier. It did want to stall a couple times when I was running idle, but besides that, doing pretty good. I did turn the siren on and look at the amp gauge. It went down, but only about 2 thickness of the needle compared to before with the other alternator, over a quarter of the way, or over half of the way, I mean. Anyways, I'm bringing the car tomorrow to another shop, another repair shop, to have a good look at the engine. So hopefully these guys will be able to find out what's wrong with it. I would certainly like to drive the car before the winter comes over. Anyways, bye for now.